Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you some of the secret run commands that will be helping to get access of many hidden and amazing secret tools on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So without any delay, let us quickly get it started. For accessing a run command, there is two options on the Windows PC. First option is just click on start menu and here just type run. There you can see a run option, just click on it. Otherwise you have to click on the Windows key plus R button on your keyboard. Now the run window is opened and here let me show you all the commands one by one with explanation. First command is DXDAG. Just enter DXDAG and click OK. And it will open the DirectX diagnostic tool window, and here you can find the first tab. You can see system. Under that you can find your system details, all the system information you can find here: computer name, operating system, language, system manufacturer, system models, BIOS, processor, memory. All the system related details you can find under system tab, and under display tab you can find your system display details, and under sound you can find the sound card details, and under input you can find all the devices you connected on your computer. Okay, next command is disk mgmt.msc. just click OK. It will open disk management window. Here you can find all the disks connected to your computer, and you can find all the partition here. Also you can change your disk letter also, and you can shrink or extend the volume of your partition. Next command is msconfig. just type msconfig on run window, just click OK. It will open system configuration window. Here you can find under general you can find system startup related options. You can find three options: normal startup, diagnostic startup, and selected startup. You can select your own options, and under boot you can find all the boot related options. You can manage all the boot related things here. And under services you can find all the services on the Windows. You can manage all the services from here. And under startup you can manage startup items from here. And under tools you can find all the Windows related tools here. Next command is msinfo32. just type msinfo32 on run window, just click OK. It will open system information window, and here you can find the entire details of the computer. You can find OS name, version, system name, system manufacturer, processor, all the system related details here. And you can find virtualization, all the details here available. Total memory, virtual memory available, virtual memory, Hyper-V. All the details you can find over here. Next command is Powercfg.cpl. just enter Powercfg.cpl on run window, just click OK. It will open power plan window. Here you can choose or customize your power plan, and there you can see some options. For my case, here two options available. So as per the usage you can choose the option here. Also you can change your power options from here. Next command is PSR. just type PSR on run window, just click OK. And it will open steps recorder window. Steps recorder means if you click on record, it will process what all you doing on your computer. It will just record that whatever you done on your computer. Now I will just click stop record. It will give some output. So what all I done on my system. All is recorded. Okay, now if you want to save this one, just click on save. Next command is WinVer. Just type WinVer on run box, just click OK. It will open about Windows box, and here you can find Windows, which Windows is this one, and Windows version you can find here, and OS build number you can find over here. Next command is NCPA.cpl. Just type NCPA.cpl on run window and click OK. It will open network connections window. Here you can find all the Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter details, and if you want to change or view or troubleshoot any Wi-Fi or Ethernet related issue, you can do it here. For example, if I want to enable this, now this Wi-Fi is disabled. Now if you want to enable, just right click and click enable, or if you want to diagnostic, just click on diagnose. And if you want to modify any property, just click on properties and you can modify the details here. Next command is appwiz.cpl. Just type appwiz.cpl on a run window, just click OK. It will open all the installed softwares list on this computer. It will list all the program files window. And here, for example, if I want to uninstall this software, just click uninstall, or if you want to change, just click change, or you can also repair this program. Also, you can turn or off Windows features from here. Just click on it and it will open Windows features window. And for example, if I want to enable Hyper-V, just tick and click OK. Next command is timedate.cpl. Just type timedate.cpl on a run window, just click OK. It will open date and time window. Here you can change the date and time, and here you can change time zone, and here you can add the additional clocks, and here you can change the internet time settings. Alright, that's all guys. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share, and subscribe for future videos.